Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the wireless Xbox controller adapter for Windows 10. Let's jump right into this. So opening this up, there's not a lot to this packaging. Thankfully, we don't really need a lot here. We get the adapter itself. Going a little bit deeper, we actually get a USB extender. Really happy to see this. It makes it really easy to connect it from a desktop so you can always have the adapter easily accessible on your PC. And we get some documentation and for some reason a really big manual inside the box. I guess this is because it's for the European region, so they can just throw one manual in here with a bunch of languages and just be done with it. So the dongle itself is actually quite big, being a normal kind of USB drive in size, a little bit skinnier and a little bit more streamlined. In terms of interface on the button, we have one single LED light on it that's used for notifications. It'll tell you when it's in syncing/search mode. It'll go full light when it's connected to a controller. And you have one button on top of this adapter that you can press to put it in searching mode. So overall, it's really simple. It will work with both USB 2 and USB 3 inputs. However, I always recommend putting in a USB 3 input where possible, but a USB 2.0 should be no issues. So overall, the build finishing material is quite nice here. It's just a nice soft plastic material on the outside, and it overall works really well. And this will work for Xbox One and Xbox Series controllers. However, it sadly does not work for Xbox 360 controllers. So if you're hoping for that full compatibility, that's not something we have here. However, it does support up to 8 controllers, and that's really nice to see, so you can play with a lot of different people on this. For me at the moment, I've only really tested this with 2 controllers and 2 players playing on them, so I can't say that the 8 controllers work because I don't have 8 or even 8 people to play with. However, I do believe that these claims are probably pretty accurate, and playing with more than one person is a really nice feature to have on this, and having the ability for 8 controllers is a really nice upgrade path here. Now, setting up and using a controller with this is also really easy to do. I'll be putting some footage on screen. All we need to do is press the sync button on the top of our Xbox adapter. We need to press and turn on our controller and then press the sync button on the top of our controller. Both of the lights will flash and eventually they will stop breathing and they will connect to each other. They will both turn a solid white and then your controller is connected. The nice thing about this process is once it's paired, it will actually connect pretty much automatically as long as it's plugged in. So currently my controller is off and the adapter is plugged into my computer right now. You can see as I turn this on, the light will flash and it will pretty much connect instantly. So just like that, it's actually already instantly connected. So it means it's kind of a plug-in, set up once and then you're good to go. So I like to play a lot of Rocket League and this is perfect for me. I can simply just pick up my controller, turn it on, and I'm instantly connected to my PC and I'm ready to play whatever I want. For me, this makes the process a lot more streamlined and a lot better, so you can just keep it plugged into the back of your PC and basically never worry about it again. I've never really had any issues or connectivity with dropping or anything like that, at least in comparison to Bluetooth. My connectivity issues with Bluetooth are much bigger and much more annoying. However, I haven't had any drops or any sort of weird lag issues with this and the Xbox One receiver, so far really happy to see that. The price is also relatively good. You can find it somewhere between 20 and 35 euro depending on where you buy it, and sometimes you can even get it bundled in with an Xbox controller. You can get a bundle for around 70 euro. So considering the adapter costs 30 and the controller normally costs 60, you're actually getting a pretty good deal if you can find it. I'll be leaving links to the adapter and the bundle in the description down below. And I would also recommend, if you're trying to do this now, try to get the new Series controller bundle instead of this one. So you can also have access to the Type-C port and the extra button here that you can macro to something else on your computer. But anyway guys, that's been my review unboxing of the wireless Xbox controller adapter for Windows 10. I think it's a great device. I definitely recommend it, especially if you're using a controller regularly on your Windows 10 and you like to use it wirelessly. For me, it's definitely my preferred method. This is a great way to go. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.